Hello everyone. Today I'm here to discuss the clauses with you. Now, first let us see what is meant by clause. A clause consists of a subject and a verb, and it is the smallest grammatical unit that expresses a thought. For example, I am writing a letter. Over here. It consists of a subject I and verb I am writing. So it is just a small thought. There are two kinds of clauses, independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause. The sentence structure of independent clause is subject plus verb. For example, we are playing cricket. It gives you complete meaning, it gives you complete idea, complete understanding. That is actually the independent clause. Now, what is meant by dependent clause? The sentence structure or the pattern of the dependent clause is subordinate conjunction plus subject plus verb. For example, I am not coming because I am not feeling well. Over here, dependent clause is because I am not feeling well. So you can see over here subordinate conjunction because is used, then subject I and verb am not feeling. So that is a dependent clause. Kinds of the dependent clause. The kinds of the dependent clause are adjective clause, adverbial clause and noun clause. Now let us discuss what is meant by adverbial clause. Adverbial clause is dependent clause that modifies or describe verbs, adverbs or adjective. It contains subordinate conjunction. It contains subordinate conjunction, subject and verb. Another definition of the adverbial clause is it is a group of words that function as an adverb. Just like adverb, they answer the questions when, how, where and why. So actually the adverbial clause functions as an adverb, but adverb are the single words while adverbial clause are the group of words which tells more about the verbs, adjective and another adverb. Pattern of adverbial clause. First of all, we have subordinate conjunction, then subject, then verb. As it is a dependent clause, so it will start with subordinate conjunction. For example, we cancel the trip because there was heavy rainfall. So over here, adverbial clause is because there was heavy rainfall. So over here, it is just giving the reason. It is answering the question why they have cancelled the trip because there was a heavy rainfall. This is a park where I come for walk. Kinds of adverbial clauses. Adverbial clauses are divided according to the actions or the sense of conjunction. Following are the types of adverbial clauses. Adverbial clause of time, adverbial clause of place, adverbial clause of condition, adverbial clause of manner, and the last one is adverbial clause of reason. First of all, let us discuss the adverbial clause of time. It tells when something happens. This clause often begins with conjunctions such as when, wherever, before, after, as, while, until, as soon as, and since. So these are the conjunctions which are used to express adverbial clause of time when we want to give the answer of when. For example, I brush my teeth before I go for sleep. So over here, adverbial clause is before I go for sleep, which is actually the adverbial clause of time. Then we have adverbial clause of place. It tells where something happens. Means it answers the questions where something happens. This clause often begins with conjunctions such as where and wherever. For example, this is a hospital where I was born. So over here, place is hospital. So they are just telling and further describing. Adverbial clause of condition. It tells us about circumstances under which something happens. Actually, it tells you the conditions the circumstances. For example, the clause often begins with conjunctions such as if, unless, provided that. For example, I will give you gift if you get first position. So over here, condition is just given that if the gift will be given if you will get the first position. Adverbial clause of manner. It tells how something happens. The clause often begins with conjunctions such as like, as though, as if. For example, Ehan walked past as if he had not seen us. So they are just telling the manner, how. The last one is adverbial clause of reason. It tells why something happens. The clause often begins with conjunctions such as because, since, as. For example, I am drinking more water as it is hot today. So over here it is giving you the reason. So that's all for the adverbial clause. I hope you have understood very well. Thank you for listening and watching.